Sorry, tie-dye pro, where is she? I'm not being funny, but I've just turned a disaster into a masterpiece. Hey everyone, it's Shannon and welcome back to my channel. Now for today's video, we have got a bit of a different video. As you guys know, the tie-dye trend has been crazy at the moment, so I thought I would do a bit of my own. I feel like I'm wearing the top for the occasion. As you guys can tell, it's from Misguided. If you haven't seen my Misguided haul, then definitely go check that out. I haven't really done any tie-dye before. This is going to be a complete first time experience. So if you like this video, then please make sure to smash the thumbs up button and subscribe down below. But yeah, let's just get into the video. I'm going to quickly run you through the stuff I'm going to be tie-dyeing and the dye I'm going to be using. So because the tie-dye trend has been everywhere at the moment, trying to get dye was basically impossible unless I was spending a lot of money, but even still then the colour choices were awful and I just wasn't prepared to do that. So the one dye I could find, I feel like you have to mix this with water. I'm not really 100% sure. I'm gonna need probably a bit of help with this, but the only dye I could find it's actually quite funny, was sandy beige. However, my thought process with this is that nude and beigey colours have been really popular at the moment, so I felt like I could just beige up my wardrobe a bit more because I've been loving it, and this was the only colour I could get my hands on, so this is what we're going to have to be rolling with. But this does say this is good for tie-dyeing. It's on the packaging. I'm pretty sure I've got to mix this with hot water or something. We'll roll with it, we'll see how it goes. And then I've also got some clothes that I'm going to be bleaching as well. I haven't got masses, to be honest, because my wardrobe was saying that there wasn't anything that I wanted to bleach, because in case this goes wrong, I didn't want to do it. So I hopped on this Pretty Little Thing, picked up some really cheap items, because I picked up some items that if this did go well then I would actually want to wear, and not just stuff that I want to ruin. So I will show you guys quickly what I got. All of this stuff was really inexpensive and I just thought, why not, I'll get it anyway. I'm hoping that this works and I haven't just spent like £15 on absolute rubbish. First up is this little like charcoal grey top. Now I'm not gonna lie, I tried this on and I absolutely love it. I was like, do I really want to bleach it? Yes, we're gonna bleach it. I feel like this bleach will look really, really cool. So yeah, this is the first item, and then the second item we're going to bleach is this top, which again I love. I don't really know how I'm feeling about the khaki, however I feel like this is a bit of a Zara dupe, and again I tried this one, I was like, oh, I actually really like this, but again bleached, I feel like if this goes well this could also look really good. And then the stuff I'm going to be dyeing is just this little white crop top. I did buy one that you can tie up, however that was when I tried on, I was like, no, I do love that too much to tie dye. But I've got this one as well, which is just a basic crop top, which again, if this goes well, if there's a nice little beigey moment going on, again will look cool. And then I actually picked this up from ASOS. This was in the sale for £2, and it's just a square neck top. Not the biggest fan of this top, but I thought for £2 we'll go with it, we'll use it. And then the final thing I picked up, I actually picked up 2 pairs of these, but again love them so much that we're only doing one, and it's these socks from a Pretty Little Thing. These are like a little Nike dupe, so in case if you're all about your dupes, then definitely recommend these. These are so comfy. I've literally worn one pair to death. Still a bit like, do I want to do it, but it's all for the video. So that is everything I'm going to be tie-dyeing slash bleaching, and yeah, let's just relocate into the bathroom and get to it. Okay everyone, so we're in the bathroom. I hope you can appreciate the awkward angle that I've actually got to film on, but I'm gonna start scrunching up my clothes. I'm gonna do like the scrunching up method. I don't really know what it's called, but yeah, so I'm just gonna do that with all my clothes now. Okay, so we have one. People say that's easy, but it's actually a lot harder than it looks, and I don't even think this is gonna turn out that good. I honestly was so confident when coming into this, thinking that this was gonna look amazing, but I'm already concerned. And I said I was doing the scrunch method, but if I'm being honest, I actually don't know what method I'm doing. I'm just doing a tying in a knot method. I'm really excited to see how the socks turn out. I'm hoping that they turn out good. Okay, so I have finally scrunched up everything, and now we're going to try and sort out the dye, which again I have no clue. I haven't really watched many tutorials on this, so I genuinely have no idea what I'm doing, which is going to be fun. So I'm going to completely wing it with the amount of this I'm going to put in. This is basically to dye loads and loads of clothes, and obviously I'm not doing that much. I'm literally doing like hardly anything, so I'm just going to guess. And it says to dissolve this in warm water. I've got to stir in some salt, so this is going to be fun. I'm gonna pour this in. Oh my god. Oh my god, that looks so pretty. I don't know if you can see it. I was not expecting it to. Wow. I just used the whole thing. It says to damp the clothes first, so I'm just going to rinse these under the tap. This is the moment of truth. Oh my god. I've got to apparently stir this for 15 minutes, but we'll see what I decide to do. I'll leave that there for the moment, and then I'm going to do the bleach. I don't really have the instructions for this one, so I don't really know if I'm meant to put water in here with this. I might just put a little bit of water in here. If you're watching this for a tutorial, I wouldn't recommend following. So this pebble beige just does not... This doesn't look like the nicest of colours, to be fair. If this doesn't work, that is it. I'm going to be fuming. I just put so much bleach in there. I'm going to be honest, I don't really know what I thought was going to happen, but at the moment we've got a purple and burnt orange mess in one bowl and a pathetic excuse of a nude in another bowl. I don't know if you guys can see. So I'm going to come back when this is all dyed to its extent. Okay everyone, so I just wanted to give you a little update, and I was envisioning this to go white and then that would be really good, but it just hasn't really, like, I'm just not looking forward to this. I'm really upset with myself that I've just ruined these. And then I'm gonna rinse these out in a minute. Okay, so I think I'm gonna rinse these in cold water because that's what it says. I'm really not looking forward to this. Oh my god, look. That is the most disgusting. I'm so emotional about these songs right now. So now it's the moment of truth. I'm gonna unravel these. I feel like this is just going to be a disaster. I can already feel it. Sorry, tie-dye pro, where is she? I just think it's a really beautiful sock. I can't believe I've just ruined it. Oh my god, how beautiful is that? How beautiful is that? I'm actually re-bleaching. If I re-bleach these, I they'll go back to white. Okay, this is actually quite cute. It's actually not as bad as the socks, but I'm impressed with myself. This one just looks awful. I mean, it doesn't look awful, but it's just not the nicest top, I don't think. I'm gonna see if I can just re-bleach these back to being white because these actually look disgusting. What have I done? So I've just come back to check on my socks because obviously I'm planning on bleaching them back to white. However, they've gone baby pink. So I think we all know what's going to happen right now. These are also going to be going baby pink. So it is happening. The tops are now going pink. This situation, I'm still kind of hoping for it to go white, but I think we all know it's not going to happen. So I'm just too scared to even want to deal with this bit at the moment. However, I'm now excited because I'm having baby pink. If I'm not a pro right now, even right now, a purple. Oh my god, that looks so good. Okay, so I took this one out. So this one is purple. I've just come to check this one and it is like the nicest colour. So I'm going to take this top out now. I'm not being funny, but I've just turned a disaster into a masterpiece. So who's the real pro tie-dye here? Because I think it's definitely me. And look at that. I am so impressed with myself right now. So I am back, and when I rewatched the footage, I just really didn't process. That was not sandy beige, pebble beige, whatever beige it was not that colour. It honestly looked like shite. Literally, like, I think when I opened it, like, I computed it a little bit, but not fully to the extent when I look back on the clip and I'm just like, oh my god. But it's safe to say that I'm pretty much a genius, not gonna lie, and I'm going to show you guys the results of these items. A couple of them I'm not really happy with, if I'm going to be honest, but there is two in particular which I love. So I'm going to run you guys through the items, and the first thing I think we'll go with is the socks, because obviously you guys You guys know what a disaster the socks were. I just think it's a really beautiful sock. And I don't know if you're ready for the result. So if I'm going to be honest, I feel like the tie-dye aspect of these socks was just awful, as you guys saw. I was not very good at elasticating them together. However, they are now like pink. However, look how awful that is. However, I feel like if I've got them on and like I kind of mess around with them a bit, are you really gonna notice? Because I don't think you are. So I feel like these are like a 5 out of 10. Like, not the best, however, not as bad as what they were. So next up is one of my favourite pieces, and I'm so glad I decided to bleach back all of these, because when I was looking back at the clip, I would never wear that. It honestly looks like it has been somewhere where it shouldn't be. So I have managed to do it to this, and I am obsessed with it. I think this is so nice, and I feel like this top with these white joggers, which I picked up from Misguided, and then with the socks, I feel like it'd be cute. So that is one of my outfits that I would plan. Okay, so I feel like we should go with one of the other tops that I decided to bleach, and this is the khaki one. Personally, I don't really like it. It's not the worst. It's a lot better than what I thought it was going to be. However, I think I kind of saw the colour orange and was like, oh my god, I don't want it to be like that orange and khaki. However, I should have just taken it out because I feel like I kind of ruined it a bit. So this is what it looks like. Do you know what I mean? It's just a bit, not really feeling it. I just think if this bit was just not like how it is, then I think it would have looked a bit better. So yeah, this is a bit of a fail, but not the worst. It wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. Next up, we have this top, which I feel like needed to be a bit more tie-dyed. Like, I don't know if I've scrunched it enough or whatever. It kind of gives me a tiny bit of drink spillage vibes. However, it is still nice, and I'm really impressed because this was also that awful colour, and I managed to turn it purple as well. So this is this top. I feel like it could look cute. I'm not, like I say, I'm not really the biggest fan of it. I just wanted the tie-dye to be a bit more tie-dyed, if that makes sense. But yeah, it's not awful, don't get me wrong. From what it was, it is definitely not awful, and I do really like it. And again, this one was only £2.50, so I feel like this one like doesn't really matter anyway. But finally, this is definitely my favourite one out of them all. I absolutely love this. This is the dark blue top moment, and I honestly was not expecting it to look like this. I actually am really impressed with myself. Like, I genuinely thought this video was going to be a fail. However, now I'm like, so how cool does this look? I am genuinely obsessed with this. I can't wait to wear it. I haven't worn it yet, just so purpose of the video, but I cannot wait to wear this. I think this is so cool. Kind of wanted to pair this with my white jogger jeans. I'll show you guys now. I haven't really tried this outfit on yet. However, I kind of wanted to pair it with my white jogger jeans from Pretty Little Thing that I've got the contrast black stitching, because I felt like this kind of had a bit of like a contrast black stitching. So I don't know, I thought it could be a vibe. So yeah, that is everything that I tie-dyed. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please make sure to smash the thumbs up button, and of course subscribe down below, and I will see you all in my next video.